Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We just finished this first car today, man. We got it completely knocked out. This Range Rover SVR is a beautiful color. I love that blue. That look like cerulean blue. But we got the car completely done. She should be definitely happy with the work. We got it done in and out. Let me give you a quick glimpse of the interior and then we out of here, man. We probably about 15 minutes from our last location. We already running a little bit behind, but you better have somebody. That dirt right here, all on the seats. You remember what it looked like, man. But we got the car looking great. Like, if she know my work, she know that we do a fantastic job. We take so much pride in what we do. But on that note, man, first and foremost, hope you're having a blessed day. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. You know we're gonna keep it coming. We got another episode around Nashville coming soon. Got another episode in Nashville, nice coming soon. Go check out my kids channel with Kids Being Kids. They got something going on. We finna just turn up, man. It's about to be a new year, new things, new adventures, new money, new friends, just new shit. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We at the second stop, which we about to do this BMW right here. I'm gonna walk on this exterior right now while we got the sun shining on us. We got a little sunlight, but you see her. She been neglecting us a few days, but she back. But this Tennessee weather is weird. It's gonna be 60-something degrees the next few days, but then it's supposed to rain Thursday. It's so weird that it always warm up before it rain here, I swear. But anyway, we doing this BMW 740i. You see it. It's pretty dirty on the exterior. Interior is dirty also. I've been a while since I've done a car, and then she don't have floor mats. So with her not having floor mats, it take a little bit more time to do her car and her seats. And then she got 2 little girls, I believe. But on that note, I'm trying to go ahead and stay on time because I got 2 more appointments to get to. I got a 1:30 appointment. I got a 3 o'clock appointment. Luckily, my next appointment down the street, and then appointment after that one is down that street. So on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We just finished this BMW 740i. Got the car completely done. Car looks good. Can't really complain about it. Look at the wheels. You remember what they look like? They was extremely dirty, but you got the paint looking good, things like that. Finna go ahead and look in the interior, give you a quick glimpse of the interior. You remember how dirty it was in here, man. But we got the car looking great. You know what I mean? But other than that, man, we take so much pride in what we do, man. You know what I mean? So always make sure you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. You know, we got like 2 more stops to go to. Hopefully the next stop really not that dirty. I didn't expect this car to really be that dirty, but it really was. But we got it knocked out. She's a good customer. She want me to go in her house and look at a stain where her dog peed and stuff like that. But I don't even have my extractor. I left it at home. But other than that, man, always do what you gotta do. And I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. Or you do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And on that note, man, I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't at this starting point, we finished this GMC Yukon Denali, man. But we got the whole car completely done. Like I say, I'm kind of in a rush trying to get everything done, so excuse me if I didn't give you any shots on what the car looked like prior to, but Car came out fine. Not too bad, but we're gonna go ahead and head to the next stop, which is probably about like 5-10 minutes from here. But if you look at the interior looks great. We got the car completely clean. You know what I mean? Like I said, it's just the standard of what we like to do. We like to make sure the customers are always super satisfied with us, man. And on that note, like always, you gotta just make sure you do your due diligence, man. You know what I mean? But sometimes you have a little problem sometimes with the customer satisfaction. You know, make sure you ask the customer what it is that you could do to improve your services, you know. But other than that, I'm about to head to the next stop before it starts getting dark. And like always, man, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you at the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do. Make this real quick, man, because it's already close to 4 o'clock and the sun gonna be going down soon. But I may just be able to do this interior, because by the time I'm done this interior, it'll be completely dark, and I don't clean cars in the dark because I don't need anybody complaining about what my services look like when it's dark. But you see the sun approximately over there finna go over the mountain. So about to go ahead and knock this out real quick. You see the interior, it's pretty dirty in here, but ain't nothing we can't handle, man. So on that note, let me go ahead and knock it out, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. All right, detail world. We're gonna go ahead and knock out the exterior. Still got a little sun left, but I ain't worried about how clean it's gonna look or whatever. I'm just knock this coat of dirt off. I know that sounds crazy to me, but it get dark, man. Ain't nothing I'm really doing, man. Y'all gotta understand, I do not work in the dark. I don't work in the rain. Certain stuff I just don't do. But I'm gonna go ahead and work on this exterior. Give y'all a quick glimpse once I'm done, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Hey. Detail world, what it do, man. We just finished this Chevy Suburban, man. Got the car completely in and out. At first I thought I wasn't gonna be able to wash it, but you still see the sun gone, but it gave me still enough time to get the car done. Got the car looking good. But other than that, man, I already showed you what the interior of the car look like. Exterior of the car is as good as you're gonna see it, because it's pretty, you know, don't have a light on my camera. But on that note, man, we finished for the day. About to head home. I gotta make a resume today. I just got a few things I need to get on, a couple of thumbnails, edit this short video, make a resume, and things like that. But other than that, man, today was a glorious day. Like I said, it's always a blessing, always grateful to have work, and I'm always dedicated to the process. So on that note, man, what you gotta do today, man, is just be humble and just be grateful for who you are, and don't try to be nobody else. And on that note, like always, man, one love, hug yourself, love thyself, take a picture of yourself, say I love you. And on that note, like always, man, peace.